Waking up a newborn requires a delicate touch and a keen understanding of their needs. This guide will explore various techniques to awaken a newborn, emphasizing the importance of sensitivity and responsiveness to their cues. Creating a calm environment. Before attempting to wake up your newborn, it's crucial to ensure the environment is conducive to a gentle awakening. Dim the lights, minimize noise, and maintain a comfortable temperature. This sets the stage for a smooth transition from sleep to wakefulness, reducing the likelihood of startling the baby. Engaging through talking and singing. Babies are responsive to the soothing tones of their caregivers' voices. Begin by talking to your newborn in a soft, comforting manner. Use simple, repetitive phrases and maintain a gentle, rhythmic tone. This not only helps in waking them up, but also fosters a sense of security and familiarity. Gentle stimulation. Once you've initiated communication, introduce gentle stimulation to further encourage the baby to wake up. Gently touch and move their arms and legs in a slow and controlled manner. This mimics the natural movements the baby experiences in the womb, making the transition from sleep to wakefulness smoother. Tactile stimulation. Tactile stimulation involves lightly tickling the baby's feet or rubbing their cheek with a soft, clean finger. These sensations can be both intriguing and comforting for the newborn. Pay attention to their reactions, and if they respond positively, continue with these gentle touches to gradually awaken them. Eye contact and smiling. Establishing eye contact with your newborn is a powerful way to engage them. As they wake up, lock eyes with them and offer a warm, reassuring smile. This not only promotes bonding, but also signals to the baby that it's time to be awake and interact with their caregiver. Feeding and diaper change. If your newborn is still not fully awake, consider incorporating routine activities like feeding or a diaper change into the waking up process. The sensory experience of feeding, combined with the necessary physical movements involved in changing a diaper, can contribute to a more alert state. Responsive to cues. Throughout the waking up process, be attentive to your newborn's cues. If they seem agitated or overly fussy, pause and reassess your approach. It's essential to prioritize the baby's comfort and adjust your actions accordingly. In conclusion, waking up a newborn involves a blend of nurturing techniques that prioritize the baby's comfort and well-being. By creating a calm environment, engaging through talking and singing, and incorporating gentle stimulation, caregivers can encourage a smooth transition from sleep to wakefulness. Download this book now link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like, and share with your friends.